In this video, we will dive into the power of the cd command and demonstrate how it allows you to navigate through directories like a pro. The cd command stands for change directory and it is a fundamental tool for moving around your Linux file system. Let's start with the basic uses. So I will open up my terminal. When you type cd without any arguments, it takes you to your home directory. This is the directory where you start every time you open up a new terminal session. So you can see previously I was in a test demo directory. Now currently it is showing me home directory. If I use pwd, currently I'm in a /root. So it is a home directory for the root user. Now let's explore how you can move to a specific directory. To do that, you can simply type cd followed by the directory path. So I will use ls here. Now you can see there is one test directory. Now if I want to change my directory to that test directory, then I can simply use cd test. And if I use pwd, you can see previously I was in /root directory and now I am currently in a /root/test directory. To move up one level up into the directory, you can use dot dot. So if I use cd dot dot or dot dot slash, then I will be one directory back. If I use pwd, you can see previously I was in a /root/test directory. Now currently I'm in a /root directory. But what if you want to jump to a specific directory regardless of your current location? That's when the absolute path comes in handy. Now, suppose if I want to go to /var/ww, then I can simply use cd /var/www. So this is the absolute path. You can specify absolute path to go to any directory regardless of your current location. And if I hit enter and use pwd, you can see currently I'm in a /var/www. Using the absolute path, you can move to a directory on your system no matter where you are. Now, what if you want to move to a directory with a space in its name? You need to use quotation marks around a directory. Now I will use cd demo test. In this folder, there is one directory which is having space. The directory is called test demo. Sorry, I use demo test here. It is a test demo. So use cd test demo and you can see it is showing me that no such file or directory. Now, if I want to go to that directory, if there is a space, then I will need to use quotation. So use cd double inverted comma, then test demo and hit the enter button. If you use pwd, now I'm in a /var/www/test space demo. The cd command also supports relative paths. This means you can move to a directory relative to your current location. Now, if I don't want to use absolute path and directly go to /var and there is one another folder called games, then I can simply use cd dot dot. So by using dot dot, I will go one level back. So I will be out of the test demo. Then again use dot dot slash. Then I will be in /var. Then I will use games and hit the enter button. Use pwd and here you can see currently I'm in a /var/games. Remember that the cd command is case sensitive, so be sure to type the directory names correctly. Lastly, what if you want to quickly return to your previous directory? The cd command has special shortcut for that. Typing cd hyphen takes you back to the directory where previously you were working. So I will use cd hyphen and use pwd. Here you can see it moved me back to the /var/www/test space demo. So this is how you can use cd command effectively.